Ever dreamed of bringing your ideas to life? Discover the step-by-step process to create an eye-catching flipbook that will wow your audience, whether for storytelling, portfolios, or presentations. This guide will turn your visions into reality. No design experience needed. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step-by-step how to make a flipbook in Canva. So firstly you have just to open a browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So we have just to sign up, or you can log in and find your account as I did. I will just click over home and I will find this page of the templates. So are you ready to unleash your creativity? In this guide you will learn how to create an engaging flipbook using Canva's intuitive tools and templates. Let's transform your ideas into a stunning digital experience. So watch this video until the end and follow these simple steps and you will be able to create your own flipbook. So don't forget like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started from the scratch and making together our own flipbook with our ideas. So once you click over home you'll find this page. Firstly you have to search for books like that, as you can see. So this is the template that we find, as you can see. I'll just click over sale right now and you'll find other templates, so choose the one you want and you get started with it. So right now I will just select the filter that I want or the categories. For example, here we have business, social media, education, video marketing, print products, cards, and invitations as well. Here we have also style, theme, language, feature, grade, subject, and topic also here. And then we have the price, as you can see. So I'll select, for example, the free one, and I will select the color, the white one. So this is how it looks, as you can see. Then I will click over apply. So once you do that, you will find another page, which is this one, as you can see. So we choose the one you want. For example, I will choose this one and I will click over customize this template. Once you do, you'll find this page, as you can see. So you have just to customize in that. So I will click over add page. I'll modify the background like that. The same with that. Also we have this one. And then this one. And also I will just go to upload the background that I want. For example, about this one, I will upload this one, or I will upload this one. So as you can see, and here we have it. I will do the same with that, but I will select, for example, this one. As you can see, then I will select also this one here. Then as you can see, this is it how it looks. Right now I will just copy this one and I will paste it here, for example. The same with that. I'll just go here and I'll paste it. Then I will delete this one because I don't need it right now. And this is it. Right now I will just modify this one. Also with this one. Right now I will just go to the text and I will add a heading, as you can see. Put it in the middle, modify the size, for example 62 or 64 like that, and I'll write it. For example, we'll write cry. Here we have it. I put it in the middle like that. I will add a subheading also. I'll select, for example, here 42, like that, and I will add here the noun of the writer. And as you can see, this is how it looks. Alright, right now I will just add, for example, other elements. So I will go to here and I will select, for example, something. For example, I will just go here, I will select this one. Then I will select also this one. And here we have it, as you can see. Also, I will select this one. I'll just modify the size of this. I'll put it here. As you can see, this is it. Right now, I will add also this one. I'll put it here. I'll put also this one here. As you can see. Then I will add a heading here. Go to the text, I will add a heading. For example, I will just write, "Don't be afraid, it's just a book." And then I will just go to the elements and I will add, for example, other things. I will just go to the emoji. I'll go to the graphic. I'll add, for example, the emoji, this emoji. I'll put it here. And here we have it. So you can add whatever you want. Right now, I will just add a text here. And here you have how it looks, as you can see. This is our book. Right now, I will just go and I will click over share. And I will just go to the see all. And I will just scroll down right now and I will click over simple booklet. Then I will click over save. Once you do that, you just wait for prepare new design. So let's wait for it. Then you click over view the simple booklet. And then you'll find you prepare your Canva design. So let's wait for it, as you can see. So here we have our flipbook. You click over convert and let's wait a few minutes for download your flipbook. So here we have the book. This is how it looks, as you can see. So let's come back. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.